students, now we are going to find out coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction for laminar flow or viscous flow. Laminar flow or viscous flow. Laminar and viscous flow is same as I have already discussed. Okay. So now here we have to find out the value of F. We have already derived Hazen-Poiseuille equation. Hazen-Poiseuille equation. Poiseuille's equation, because there is HF. Okay. So that is friction losses. So we have to consider that. So Hazen-Poiseuille equation will be equal to HF will be equal to 32 mu VL by gamma d square. That is already proved. In the last class we have derived that relation. Now another equation is also there. Darcy-Weisbach equation. Darcy-Weisbach equation. There it is 4FL square by 2GD. This is to be proved in next chapter. That is pipe flow. I will discuss there pipe flow. This is also very important equation to find out. Darcy-Weisbach equation. See equations. Basically, this is for laminar flow and this is for turbulent flow. But equations are C, HF. There also we are finding out. In laminar flow, we are finding out head loss due to friction, that is equal to 32 mu VL by gamma d square, and Darcy-Weisbach equation HF is equal to 4FL V square by 2GD, to be proved in the next chapter, that is pipe flow. Now see, equations are HF is equal to this and HF is equal to this. So that means both are same. 4FL V square by 2GD will be equal to 32 mu VL by gamma d square. We can prove because both gives the friction losses. Head loss due to friction. Here also head loss due to friction and here also. Okay, this we have already proved. This we are going to prove in the next chapter. So 4FL V square by 2GD is equal to 32 mu VL by gamma d square. So this is d square and d will get cancelled. So this 4 will be 8. Okay, length will be cancelled out. V square, V will be cancelled out. So F will be, this is 8 to the 16. Okay, so that is mu. Okay, mu, that is 8 to the 16 mu G, okay, by one velocity is there. Okay, so that will be gamma into V into gamma into V into D. Okay, so that is, now what we have to do, 16 mu by gamma by G into V into D. Now see, equation become 16 mu by rho V D, it is equal to 16 by rho V D by mu. Okay, so after deriving this conclusion, F will be equal to 16 by rho Vd by mu. Okay, there we have proved Re, Reynolds number was rho V d or L, both are same. Mu here instead of d we are using L. So rho V d, see here we are getting that is gamma by G is rho. Okay, so that is gamma is equal to weight density is equal to mass density into G. Okay, that is the relation we have proved in first unit itself. So this gamma by G, weight density by G will be your mass density and Vd. So rho Vd by mu is nothing but Reynolds number Re. So F will be equal to 16 by Re. This is the relation to find out the coefficient of friction. Okay, so F is nothing but coefficient of friction in a pipe flow. There we have to find out what is the coefficient of friction. So if you are able to find out Reynolds number Re, that is nothing but rho Vd by mu. Okay, and that number is to be divided upon 16 actually. 16 divided by Re will give us a value that is called coefficient of friction. Okay, so this relation we are going to use here as well as in next chapter also. That's why we have derived here, though we have not derived this relation, that we are going to derive in next unit. Okay, so let us sum up what we have discussed in this class, that is coefficient of friction for the laminar flow. So what is the coefficient of friction? So Hazen-Poiseuille equation gives us the equation HF is equal to 32 mu V L by gamma d square, that is we have already proved. Another is Darcy-Weisbach equation, that is HF is equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. This equation will be proved in next chapter, that is pipe flow. Okay, but see here it is also head loss due to friction. This is for laminar flow and this is also can be used laminar flow. Basically that equation we are going to derive in next chapter. So HF will be equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. Now since both equations are for head loss due to friction, we can equate each other. Okay, that is 4FL V square by 2GD will be equal to 32 mu VL by gamma d square. So let us cancel out the same terms. This LL will get cancelled, this V and V will get cancelled. Okay, and this 4 will be 32. So 8 ja and D will get cancelled. So F will be, see here, F will be 8 2 ja 16 mu and G only divide by F means gamma V and D, gamma V and D. Now 16 mu, you put this G in the denominator of this term, so it is gamma by G into Vd. Gamma by G is nothing but rho G, because that we have proved. Weight density will be equal to mass density into G, that we have already proved. So gamma by G is rho and 16 mu will be equal to 16 mu by rho Vd. Now rho Vd by mu is nothing but Reynolds number that we have already proved, whether it is D or L. Re is equal to rho V L by mu we have proved here, but here we are using D only, that is characteristic length. So rho V D by mu is nothing but Reynolds number Re. So suppose if we know the value of Re, then substitute that value in this equation. F is equal to 16 by Re, that value will be our coefficient of friction for the laminar flow. Okay, rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.